Hey, rental car, you good? Good. Check it out. Here's the rental car.
Save me, save me, save me. Save me. It's like I've seen the light, but I've never known.
We are in Munich, Germany, and we're about to drink a ton of beer.
Beer.
Here's Nichole learning stick shift for everyone out there.
Scary, guys.
It's scary, but she's got it. She's a professional. Give him a little shift for the people out there. Come on. There we go. Woo!
Call me Stick Master Flex.
Go to first, clutch all the way down. You're in third. You're in third. Okay. You're gonna have to go. Brake, brake, brake.
Sorry, what do I do?
Here. Just tell him to go around. Like, just go. You got it.
I'm going.
Go. Gas. There you go. Good. Just drive. Just drive.
That was fun.
Yeah, so that's your first experience. Now you got that out of your system.